Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. In relation to the reflection of the element, it will transform the program. The program is BEFG15 based upon the ruler. Any ruler in the confunction of the Purana, it will position itself into the steps of 8. In this way, the conclusion of the element will send the sun through. If the aura is on time, it is the evolution of time to transit itself into the element of design for the protocol. Each protocol is a network of 5246, 5249 in relation to Sir Funk. The equilibrium to share the network of one is the oil wave and the machine. If this is the machine of the brain capacity of the maximum number of door, it will transmit itself into the door steps. Each door steps is the position of a timer by the singing along. In the transcode system of a program, it will isolate the law of planet 5, and in that time it is the confunction of the third economy. The economy for the academics result is formula 1, 2, 4, 5, and in that day it is the confunction. The confunction of the Purana will position itself into the doorstep of 1143 by the border. Any border in relation to the third rock, it will tell you the story of a soul, S-O-U-L. If the third division is the complexity of network 5, the aura will be the Taskamang. The Taskamang is the border of 9241. Based upon the confunction of the Purana, as each Purana will position itself into the doorstep of 532, and in that way it is the element designed for the protocol. Each protocol is network 5, and in that time it is the confunction of the Purana. This is the rework area of expertise to realize the dimension of the decimal, and in that time this is the Taskamang. The Taskamang by the linguistic is oil wave, and in so if they have the third division to complex itself into network 1 is aura. This is the confunction of the pyramid.